Today, we're going to compare big and small with our bear friend. Count while playing bowling. And learn numbers with cars.
How?
First, shall we learn about big and small numbers with the bear?
Wow!
Look! The bear is holding plates with his arms wide open. Let's put some apples on the plates. One apple here. One apple there. One and one are the same.
Ah!
Let's add one more to each side. One. One. Now we have two on both sides. Two and two are the same too. Let's put one more remaining apple on the plate. Oh, the side with one more apple went down. Aha! Three is bigger than two. Great job! Let's review it together.
How?
There are two apples on one plate. Two.
2, 3, 4.
And three apples on the other plate. Three.
8, 9, 10.
Which number is bigger?
Stomp your feet. Counting numbers can't be beat. 1 to 10, let's go again.
That's right.
Start it up and count with friends.
Two is smaller than three.
This time, let's learn numbers while playing a gas station game.
2,
The red car wants to get some gas. Shall we fill it up until we reach number 3?
8, 9, done.
One,
Clap your hands, stomp your feet.
2,
Counting numbers can't be beat. 1 to 10,
3. All done.
start it up and
3.
count with friends.
Now, the yellow car wants to get some gas. Shall we fill it up until we reach number 5?
3, 4, 5,
1,
7,
2,
9, 10.
3, 4, 5. All done. 5. Good job, everyone. The bear is going to play bowling. How many bowling pins are there in total? Let's count them while writing numbers on each pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! There are 10 bowling pins. Let's write the number 10.
Ah!
10. The bear rolled the ball. I wonder how many pins he can hit out of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write the number 7. 7. You all did a wonderful job.